Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 6 best diets to lose weight. Nearly half of the world's people try to reduce weight each year. Changing your diet is a great method to reduce weight. Before continuing this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. However, the sheer variety of the diet programs available can make it difficult to choose one that is suitable, sustainable, and effective. Some diets seek to lessen your hunger, while others propose limiting your consumption of calories, carbs, or fat. Moreover, many provide health benefits beyond weight loss. Here are the 6 finest diet plans for weight loss and better health. Number 6. Intermittent fasting. Irregular eating and fasting is called intermittent fasting. The 16th-8 approach limits calorie consumption to 8 hours per day, while the 5:2 method limits daily calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories twice a week. How it works. Intermittent fasting limits your eating time, which is a straightforward approach to lose weight. This can contribute to weight loss if you don't overeat during permitted eating times. Intermittent fasting has been proven to cause 3 to 8% weight loss over 3 to 24 weeks, which is much more than other techniques. The same review found that this diet may lower waist circumference by 4 to 7%, a sign of dangerous belly fat. Intermittent fasting has been shown to promote fat burning while preserving muscle mass and thus metabolism. Intermittent fasting has been related to anti-aging, enhanced brain function, lower inflammation, and many other advantages. Cons. Intermittent fasting is generally safe for healthy persons. Pregnant or nursing women should consult a healthy expert before beginning intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting and eating cycles, it has been proven to weight loss and other health advantages. Number 5. Vegan diets. Eat more plants to lose weight. Most vegetables and vegans avoid animal products for health, ethical, and environmental reasons. However, there are more flexible plant-based diets, such as the flexitarian diet, which includes moderate consumption of animal products. Vegetarianism is avoiding all meat, poultry, and fish. Vegans may also forgo eggs and dairy. The vegan diet restricts all animal products including dairy, gelatin, honey, whey, casein, and albumin. The flexitarian diet is more of a lifestyle adjustment than a diet. It promotes eating largely fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains while allowing protein and animal products in moderation. Restriction of calorie-dense foods may help in weight loss. Plant-based diets are good for weight loss according to research. A meta-analysis of 12 studies involving 1,151 people found that vegans lost an average of 4.4 pounds, means 2 kg, more than meat eaters. Plus, vegans shed an average of 5.5 pounds, means 2.5 kg, more than non-vegans. Plant-based diets may help you lose weight since they are high in fiber and low in high-calorie fat. Other advantages, plant-based diets have been associated to lower risk of chronic diseases like heart diseases, cancer, and diabetes. They can also be more eco-friendly and meat-based diets. While plant-based diets are healthy, they can limit important nutrients like iron, vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. A flexitarian diet or adequate supplements can assist. Vegan diets. Restrictions on meat and animal product studies show reduced calorie intake and help with weight loss. Number 4. Low-carb. Low-carb diets are a popular way to lose weight. The Atkins, ketogenic, and low-carbohydrate, high-fat diets are examples. Some reduce carbs more than others. For example, very low-carb diets like the keto diet limit carbs to under 10% of total calories, compared to 30% or less for other diets. How it works. Low-carb diets prioritizes protein and fat over carbs. It's vital to note that they're usually higher in protein than low-fat diets. In low-carb diets like keto, your body starts utilizing fatty acids for energy instead of carbs. This is ketosis. Weight loss. Low-carb diets have been shown to be more successful than low-fat diets in many trials. Low-carb diets resulted in greater weight loss than low-fat diets, according to a meta-analysis of 53 studies with 68,128 participants. Moreover, low-carb diets tend to be very successful at reducing belly fat. Other benefits. Low-carb diets may reduce heart diseases risk factors like high cholesterol and blood pressure. They may also help persons with type 2 diabetes. Cons. A low-carb diet might sometimes boost LDL, bad cholesterol. Very low-carb diets might also cause intestinal issues in some people. A severely low-carb diet can cause ketoacidosis, a hazardous metabolic disease that can be fatal if left untreated. Low-carb. Limit your carb consumption to make your body burn more fat. They can also help you lose weight. Number 3. Paleo Diet. The Paleo Diet advises consuming foods your ancestors ate as hunters and gatherers. It's based on the idea that human body hasn't evolved to absorb legumes, grains, and dairy. The Paleo Diet promotes entire foods, fruits, vegetables, lean meats, nuts, and seeds. It excludes processed foods, wheat, sugar, and dairy, while some less severe variants include cheese. Weight loss. The Paleo Diet has been demonstrated to help reduce belly fat in numerous studies. In one 3-week research, 14 healthy adults lost an average of 5.1 pounds, means 2.3 kg, and 0.6 inches in their waist circumference, a marker for belly fat, 1.5 centimeter. The Paleo Diet may also be more satisfying than other popular diets like Mediterranean diet and low-fat diets because of its high protein content. Other benefits. The Paleo Diet may help lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglycerides, all risk factors for heart diseases. Cons. While the Paleo Diet is healthy, it excludes regimes, entire grains, and dairy. Diet Paleo encourages eating whole foods like your ancestors. Studies show to help with weight loss and heart diseases risk reduction. Keto diets. Low-fat diets like low-carb diets are decades old. A low-fat diet restricts fat intake to 30% of daily calories. Some very low-fat diets strive for a fat-to-calorie ratio under 10%. How it works? Low-fat diets limit fat intake because fat has more calories per gram than protein and carbs. Ultra-low-fat diets comprise less than 10% fat calories, with 80% carbohydrates and 10% protein. Plant-based ultra-low-fat diets prohibit meat and animal items. Number 2. Low-fat diets. A review of 33 research involving over 73,500 people indicated that a low-fat diet resulted to small but meaningful weight and waist circumference changes. When it comes to weight loss, low-carb diets seem to be more effective than low-fat diets in controlled conditions. Ultra-low-fat diets work, especially for obese persons. An 8-week research of 56 people found that consuming a diet high in fat, 7 to 14% resulted to an average weight loss of 14.8 pounds, means 6.7 kg. Other advantages. Low-fat diets minimizes the risk of heart diseases and stroke. They may also improve diabetic indicators and reduce inflammation. Cons. Over-restricting fat might cause long-term health issues, as fat is essential for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and cell health. Furthermore, very low-fat diets have been associated to metabolic syndrome. Keto diets. Limit your consumption of fat, as it contains more calories than carbohydrates and protein. Low-fat diets have been associated to weight loss and heart diseases and diabetes. Number 1. Diet Mediterranean. The Mediterranean diet is based on traditional meals from Italy and Greece. Many studies show that it can help with weight loss as well as heart disease prevention. Dietary guidelines for the Mediterranean diet include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables as well as extra virgin olive oil. Consume chicken, eggs, and dairy products in moderation. Red meats are scarce. This diet also limits refined carbohydrates, trans fats, processed meats, sugar, and other processed foods. Weight loss. While a Mediterranean-style diet isn't intended for weight loss, several studies show it can help. An analysis of 19 studies found that people on the Mediterranean diet lost 8.8 pounds, means 4 kg, more than those on a control diet. Other advantages. The Mediterranean diet promotes the consumption of antioxidant-rich foods that may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. It's connected to a lower risk of heart disease and mortality. Cons. Because the Mediterranean diet isn't technically a weight loss diet, it may not work unless you also cut calories. Consume lots of fruits, veggies, fish, and healthy oils. Limiting refined and processed foods while not a burden. Studies show it can help with weight loss and overall health. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.